Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to send payment reminders to customers in Wave. Now, payment reminders are an effective way to encourage timely payments, and here's how to send them in the Wave. First you got to do is open an unpaid invoice from your invoice page. Now in the invoice view, just click the send reminder button. Now you can customize the message if you like. You could add a friendly reminder about the due payments and its terms of service. Once ready, just click send reminders to send the email straight to your customer. Sending a polite reminder can be helpful in keeping clients aware of their overdue payments and can often prompt action. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.